Hello, welcome to Auto World. I am Maya. How can I assist you today? Hi Maya, I am Neha. I am looking to buy an SUV that is practical for my family and also fuel efficient. You are in luck. We have several great options. Are you looking for any particular features or price range? I would like something spacious with good safety features and a decent fuel economy. I am open to looking at different prices depending on the value. I would recommend the Swift Cruiser. It's got plenty of space for a family and gives about 28 miles per gallon. Plus, it has several features that are perfect for family trips. That sounds good. What feature does it have? The Swift Cruiser comes with a touchscreen display with navigation, leather seats, and a rear view camera. It also has safety features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and cruise control. Those features sound great. What's the warranty and maintenance like? It comes with a 5-year warranty and 2 years of free maintenance, which includes oil changes and basic services. That's reassuring. What about financing? We offer loans, leasing options, and low interest financing. We would need to run a credit check and see your income details to get started. How long does the approval usually take? It typically takes a few hours to a day, depending on the paperwork and your credit profile. I would like to take it for a test drive. Can I do that today? Absolutely. We can schedule a test drive this afternoon. Does that work for you? Yes, this afternoon is perfect. What do I need to bring for the test drive? Just your driver's license and insurance. That is all you need. Great! I am excited to see how the Swift Cruiser handles. You will love it. I will make sure everything is ready for you. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks, Maya. I appreciate your help today. You are welcome, Neha. I'll see you this afternoon. See you then.